So now we're gonna adjust this microscope for my working distance. This scope has focal lengths that f200, and you can see it on the body of the lens. So you really need to check on that and see what the focal length is. This is 200, mean the distance between the focal length and the field have to be 200 millimeters or 20 centimeters. If you're too high or too low, you won't be able to focus this. So this is very important. That can be done with the pedal buttons on the top of the pedal. Now to the eyepieces. So every eyepiece has the settings of the 0. So there is a little white line, and it has to be adjusted between plus and minus on both binoculars, meaning that is perfect vision, 20/20 on your eyesight. If you have different eyesight, you can move the wheels or any adjustment on your scope to adjust your eyesight. And also the intrapupillary distance will be adjusted by simply moving, by looking through the eyepieces, moving them in or out, either manually, or it could be done by the little buttons or a little adjustment on your eyepieces side. So if I sit down and look straight through the eyepieces, I have to look straight and move the binoculars that you can see only one field, not a double. So if you see the double, move your eyepieces a little bit in or out until you're looking straight with both eyes and see only one field.